Okay, welcome to my bird banding app. This I created because I was inspired by my grandmother, who was a bird bander when she was alive. And the practice of bird banding is catching birds, usually in very large nets called mist nets, and putting a little bracelet on them that has a number and that can be used to track them. And then also, while you are banding them, you take information about them, including their weight, their wingspan, their amount of fat they have on them, and other information such as sex. And watching my grandmother as I was growing up, I always saw that she would write everything down, and then at the end of the year, she would laboriously had to upload it into a database or just send that information into the government. And I just thought it would be really interesting to do an app that was just uploading that information instantaneously, and then being able to see also what other banding stations were catching, or even eventually you would be able to check if there was a band number that had come up that you also had. So let's get started. So let's first just do a sign up. And here's the username. I'm going to say a new username. So let's just pick, let's say Danny. And his password is password. And I'll just say that he lives in outer space. All right, so here we are on the main welcome page, and this is the current user's station. We can add a bird here, and then this is the database with all of the birds that have been caught by various banding stations. So over here we have like Florence, and then somebody from Neverland, somebody from the moon. So let's just add a bird just to show what happens. Let's say the band number is 12. The species, I don't know, let's say a woodpecker. And the sex is a male. The year, usually it's hatchling year, or maybe they're 1 or 2 years old. So we'll go with hatchling year. Fat is usually between 0 and 3. Let's say they have 0 fat on them. Wingspan, I'm not sure for a woodpecker how many centimeters that it would be, but let's say 3.3, it's probably a little small. And then weight is usually in ounces. Let's say weighs like, I don't know, 1 ounce. And then we add the bird. So this gives us our current birds that we have, and then we can also see that it's been added down here in our line, with the woodpecker being now in our full database. And then let's see, if we log out, we'll go back to the landing page and logging in. Let's say we log in as Bander Kim this time. Password is also password. And here we are, and this is showing her current birds and then also all of the birds that are happening throughout the world. And that is what I have for now. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you enjoyed. Thanks so much.